If you are looking for a government land surveyor in Chandigarh, look no further than scondesignindia Pvt Ltd. With our expertise and experience in land surveying, we are well equipped to handle any government land surveying project in the Chandigarh area. Our team of highly skilled surveyors is trained to accurately measure and map the land, ensuring that all necessary data is collected and recorded. Whether it is for infrastructure development, construction projects, or land acquisition purposes, our services are tailored to meet the specific needs of government agencies. We understand the importance of precise land surveying in government projects, and we strive to deliver accurate and reliable results every time. At scondesignindia Pvt Ltd, we pride ourselves on our commitment to excellence in land surveying. With years of experience in the industry, we have developed a strong reputation for providing high-quality services to our clients. Our team of surveyors is equipped with the latest technology and tools, allowing us to complete projects efficiently and effectively. We understand the importance of adhering to government regulations and guidelines, and we ensure that our surveying methods comply with all relevant standards. As a government land surveyor in Chandigarh, we offer a wide range of services to meet the diverse needs of our clients. Whether it is boundary surveys, topographic surveys, or construction staking, we have the expertise to handle it all. Our team works closely with government agencies to understand their requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their specific project goals. We are dedicated to delivering accurate and reliable data that can be used for decision-making and planning. When you choose scondesignindia Pvt Ltd as your government land surveyor in Chandigarh, you can expect professionalism, accuracy, and efficiency in every aspect of our work. We understand the importance of completing projects on time and within budget, and we strive to exceed our clients' expectations. Our team is committed to delivering high-quality results that not only meet but also exceed industry standards. With our expertise and experience, you can trust us to handle your government land surveying needs in Chandigarh. In conclusion, if you are in need of a government land surveyor in Chandigarh, scondesignindia Pvt Ltd is the company to trust. With our dedication to excellence and commitment to delivering accurate results, we are well equipped to handle any government land surveying project. Contact us today to learn more about our services and how we can assist you with your land surveying needs.